Remove all materials from the box and check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, insert wood dowel into board C. Repeat the first step on board D, E, H, I, J, K, L and M. Secondly, insert mini fix cam on board A. Repeat step on board A, B and J. Next, attach board H and I to board J using 4 of CSK screw M5X40. Next, attach board L to board J. Attach board M to board J and use mini fix cam to lock it. Attach board K to board I. Attach board B to main part of wardrobe and use mini fix cam to lock it. Attach board D and E onto main part of wardrobe. Use mini fix cam to lock them. Attach 8 to main part of wardrobe. Then, attach board A to main part of wardrobe. Use mini fix cam to tighten it. Refer to diagram to insert mini fix cam respectively. Then attach board Y and Z onto main part of cabinet using CSK screw M3, 5x12. Install metal hinges onto board F1 and F2. Then attach board F1 and F2 onto main part of wardrobe. For hinges adjustment, please refer to video attached on the top right corner. Finally, attach handle onto both F2 board. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your wardrobe.